We humans have always developed strategies. We make plans. More complex, more successful, more modern. What used to be discussed around the campfire is now a meeting. And what started with a cave wall became the first whiteboard. Identifying problems, brainstorming ideas, and identifying concepts that can only be done together. But nowadays, together is no longer so easy. A shame, really. But that also means it's time for new kinds of collaboration. With Conceptboard, your digital whiteboard, Conceptboard doesn't offer you the solution, but rather the platform to create any solution yourself. It doesn't matter if it's right next door, on the other side of the world, or somewhere in between, if it's at the same time or different times, if it's a team, between departments, with partners, or on your own, or if it's brainstorming, project planning, or presentations. And it doesn't matter if it's complex development, organization, strategy, marketing, or administration. With Conceptboard, you can easily connect the dots, create ideas, sprints, analysis, and show results. Start with a blank sheet or with a lead and choose what suits your project best from over 150 templates. From texts, icons, images, links to entire documents, everything can be integrated into your Conceptboard. So simple, intuitive, and secure that even IT managers and data protection officers work with Conceptboard. You too can test Conceptboard free of charge for 30 days. Register today with just one click.